Welcome to my office. Today I want to introduce how to use if with two or more conditions. Let's see, column A is the name of the student. Column B is the English score. Column C is the math score. And in column D, we want to define if the student pass or fail. We have the requirement is that both of the courses need to be no less than 60. First, let's draw down here. For Jim, should be English no less than 60. B3 no less than 60. Also C3 math should be no less than 60. The relationship of the two conditions are AND. Now let's click FX, search if, enter, double click if. The two conditions need to be met at the same time, so we enter AND, and then to bracket. In the bracket, we enter the first condition is B3 no less than 60, comma, then C3 no less than 60. If the standards are met, should be pass. If false, fail. Let's click OK. Now let's move our mouse to the right bottom corner of the cell. Double click. Here's the result. We can verify Tom's score. Both are higher than 60, so it's pass. We can verify Smith. 1 is less than 60, so it's fail. Now let's move to sheet 2. Here's the optional course. Only one course need to be no less than 60. First, let's move to E3. The standard is dance. B3 should be no less than 60. And also C3 history should be no less than 60. The relationship of the two conditions are all. Either meet, let's pass. Now let's choose D3, click FX, search if, enter, click OK. Here we just enter all and a bracket. In the bracket we enter B3 no less than 60, comma, C3 no less than 60. If true, it's pass. If false, fail. Let's click OK. Now let's double click. Here we see James, two courses are less than 60, so he failed. I have introduced how to use two conditions in if function. You can also use 3 conditions and 4 conditions. Just do it the same, enter a comma between each conditions. This is today's introduction. Thank you for watching.